Hello! Today I'm in E63s AMG. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off online recognition. So let's enter settings from the main menu. Let's go back and tap on system. Now from this list select Linguatronic and tap on online recognition to enable this function. Now we can turn on Hi Mercedes function and let's check if it's working. Hi Mercedes.
How can I help?
Who is Cristiano Ronaldo?
Here is what I found on Wikipedia. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro is a Portuguese professional. Should I continue? Sorry, I didn't get...
Okay, it's working, so to disable this function, again tap on this button and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.